Despite the current drop in price, despite the continuous drop in price, and of course, the Lunar Classic community, many people are not happy. Despite all this, Binance are still giving all their support. Binance are all in, going for Lunar Classic. Binance are not giving up. They are fully there to support Lunar Classic. Well, for me, I still believe their support means a lot for Lunar Classic. Their support means a lot because they are the reason why Luna is still where it is today. If not for Binance, maybe Lunar Classic would have been ranked among the top 300 or top 500 crypto coins by today. But at least you can see the position where they are. So I think Binance not giving up on Luna means a lot for Luna community. And I'm happy that Binance are still showing great support. They even also promised to keep on supporting. With the network upgrade, with the burning, they said they will keep on supporting the Lunar Classic. Of course, they have been supporting some coins that are ranked below 300 crypto coins. So why not Luna? Despite what? So I'm happy for that comment. I'm happy for that, for Binance founder Cizi fully supporting the Lunar Classic LNC. But one important thing is, I still believe there's hope since Bitcoin. If you are BTC, for me, before the end of this year or by next year, I see the price of Bitcoin trading at over $100,000 before the end of next year. Okay? Yes, before the end of next year, I see the price of Bitcoin. That is my personal prediction. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. But for BTC, Bitcoin, the king of crypto coin itself, I see Bitcoin trading at over $100,000 before the end of 2024. So anything can happen. Let's keep on supporting our crypto industry. I believe that most governments will definitely accept cryptocurrency. Most businesses are going online. A lot of people are accepting, and I'm hoping by the time we see Facebook, start accepting crypto-based payment, then we'll see Twitter, then we'll see Instagram. Then we can make payment with Google apps. By the time we can buy items on Amazon, purchasing items on Amazon, on eBay. I believe that using cryptocurrency, it's definitely going to take over one day. So I believe the world is growing. Everything is moving digital. So cryptocurrency will definitely survive. With a market cap of almost 1.3 or $1.4 trillion, definitely there is the hope for crypto industry. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.